In this video, we will learn about comprehension of list in Python. So let's understand it by using an example. I am writing a new variable here that is even, and I am just assigning the value of even as a list in which I am passing some condition. That is x, forks in range, that is the range with 10, and the condition of the conditional statement is if the x value will be divided by 2, and the remainder will be 0. Then we have print even. So I am writing a print statement here, and I am just passing an even variable from print statement, and when I run the code, it shows me that the even number list is printed at the terminal. Now in the same way, I am writing a new variable that is odd, and I am just changing the condition of if condition, in which I will change the equal to sign with exclamation sign. And the same way, I am changing the variable name from even to odd in the print statement. Now, when I run the code, then it will show me odd list on the terminal, and the old number list will be printed on the terminal. So list comprehension is a way to create lists using expressions in a line. Thank you.